Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Krishang French Learning. In my today's video, I will teach you months of the year in French. Friends, do you know we call month in French mois? Mois, M-O-I-S, mois. So friends, let's start. January. We say January in French Janvier. 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 Next, February. We say February in French, Février. Février. F-E-V-R-I-E-R. Février. Next, March. We say March in French, Mars. Mars. M-A-R-S. Mars. Next, April. We say April in French, Avril. Avril. A-V-R-I-L. Avril. Next, May. We say May in French, May. May. M-A-I. May. Next, June. We say June in French, June. June. J-U-I-N. June. Next, July. We say July in French, Juillet. Juillet. J-U-I-L-L-E-T. Juillet. Next, August. We say August in French, Août. Août. A-O-U-T. Août. Next, September. We say September in French, Septembre. Septembre. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-R-E. Septembre. Next, October. We say October in French, Octobre. Octobre. O-C-T-O-B-R-E. October. Next, November. We say November in French, Novembre. Novembre. N-O-V-E-M-B-R-E. Novembre. Next, December. We say December in French, Decembre. December. D-E-C-E-M-B-R-E. December. That's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.